There's some dispute as to who's in charge at Brick Pond. Here, a beaver discovers a Waterman-made breach in her dam. She's sure it was fine yesterday. Waterman has made the gap to keep the flooding down and Brick Pond open to the public. But now, for the beaver, action is required. The bottom is checked and the breach assessed and navigated. Down the chute she goes, and back up against the flow. It's pretty wide and deep, and the water's fast. Not an easy patch job. And there's little stuff to patch it with here. While there's lots of good mud, mud will do no good by itself. More sticks and vegetation are needed. Beavers are fascinating to watch, and they do create useful wetland habitat, but their engineering can be a bit too much for mostly dry land life to cope with. Waterman wants folks to learn about nature, but not completely on the beaver's terms, and she wants the water as high as she can keep it. So she figures it's time to look for more building material. She returns with a mouthful, hopeful it'll do. But no, she'll need more larger stuff to breach that gap. And so begins another busy day for her. And more work for Waterman.